Hello, I pray this message finds you and your family well. This week, Governor Northam began to lay out his plan for reopening the Commonwealth. Although there will be certainly more details to come later, we learned the governor will extend key provisions of Executive Order 53, which places restrictions on businesses and gatherings of more than 10 people, at least through next Thursday, May 14th. His administration will continue to monitor health data to ensure that trends of positive cases are going downward, hospital capacity remains steady, testing is increased, and hospitals and medical facilities have necessary supplies of PPE. Phase 1 of easing restrictions would continue social distancing, teleworking, recommendations that people wear face coverings in public, and the ban on social gatherings of more than 10 people. It would ease some limits on businesses and faith communities and would transition the stay-at-home directive to a safer at-home guideline, especially for those in vulnerable populations. It is expected that Phase 1 would last 2 to 4 weeks, as would the 2 subsequent phases, depending on health metrics. The city will continue to follow state directives to ensure the safe and orderly reopening of our community. Although all of this is good news, we must remain diligent and continue to practice the safe guidelines of the CDC so we don't experience a surge in COVID-19 cases that could set us back. Unfortunately, the pandemic has negatively affected many of our local businesses. During this first week of May, our Office of Economic Development and Tourism has combined National Economic Development and Travel and Tourism Week into the Week of Extra Appreciation to thank local businesses for all they do to make Lynchburg a great place to live, work, and play. We want people to know that Lynchburg is open for business. It just looks a little different. Lynchburg's business community has been proactive, innovative, adaptive, and resilient, and has risen to the challenge during this extraordinary time. One of those businesses is Givens Books and Little Dickens. Givens has been a Lynchburg staple for over 40 years, and this pandemic is not the first economic crisis it has faced. Over the years, owner Danny Givens has learned sometimes a little upside-down thinking is key to sustainability. During this time of social distancing, Givens has implemented curbside contactless pickup for orders placed online or by phone. Givens Books and Little Dickens is a key asset to our local economy and the embodiment of the I Am Lynchburg spirit, the idea that we all play a part in making Lynchburg the best small city in America. Givens is just one of the many examples in our business community that through creative thinking has found a way to survive through this difficult time. I encourage you all to find a way to show a little extra appreciation to all of our local businesses this week and every week. I look forward to speaking with you again next week. Remember to complete your census forms, that's important. Get your absentee ballots, and as always, remember, together we are Lynchburg strong.